Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And do you hate traditional water pitcher where you have to boil the water, wait 20 minutes for the water to boil to drink some hot water and wait for it to cool down and you can drink like normal water. Alright, but most of the time it's just it's unpurified, just tap water. And other purifier machines, they probably need you to drill through your marble tabletop, or even you find like traditional water point, alright, to drill holes through your perfect marble tabletop. Alright, and it is very inconvenient that you have to place it near the kitchen or near the sink or anywhere else. But what if you could get multi-stage purified our water, alright, directly at any temperature you want without any installation? Well, let me introduce you to this Bewinch G3, alright, installation free water purifier right over here. Alright, so yeah, like I said, this is really installation free because you don't have to place it near any water point or water outlet, and there's no drilling needed. So basically this thing can be placed anywhere you want, on your office tabletop, beside your bedroom, alright, or basically anywhere you want in the house. You guys can place this in without worrying about drilling your perfect nice marble tabletop. And this is basically just plug and play, and it comes with a 5-liter water tank, so you don't have to fill it up all the time whenever you need to drink water, so which is very sufficient for a lot of cups of water before you need to fill it up again. And design one, it is very modern, very sleek looking, and it can place anywhere you want in the house and it will still looks fabulous. All right, and it can blend into any any desk, any places you want, and it will still look super elegant and super modern. And the best part about this is, even if you're using this at night and you want to get some water and it's so dark in your living room, well, you guys can place any cup near the sensor itself and it will light up automatically. And now you can select the temperature you want, and as well as the amount of water that you want to filter it out. Okay, so I can select like 200 ml and at 55 degrees, and when I press on it, I can instantly get water right away, as you guys can see. Alright, and it is pure filtered water. Alright, so yeah, this uses reverse osmosis technology, which I'm going to talk about later on. But you guys can see how easy it is just to get purified water straight from this machine right here. Alright, you guys can see my water is done at the perfect warm temperature that I want, alright, for a good night's sleep. And cheers guys. And it just tastes, there's a bit of sweetness to the water as well. So how does this actually work? Especially the RO layer actually remove all those harmful bacteria, all those like dirts, all this from the water itself, and after that it infuses back with like potassium, magnesium, calcium and zinc into the water to make it taste much sweeter and much crispier compared to other purifier where they just remove it and the water will taste blunt. And the best part about this is it will taste sweet, naturally sweet, and as well as beneficial for your body, as well as replaces all those potassium, zinc that your body needs, alright, to make drinking water much healthier as always. And it makes water much nicer to drink, especially in hot summer days, or especially when you're really thirsty. It just makes the water feel so much more refreshing. Yep, it's just really incredible. Okay, but now let's just talk about the actual tech of this itself in details. Alright, so you guys know what is actually being processed, your water is being processed through this machine itself. So basically the Bewinch G3 uses a premium high precision reverse osmosis or RO membrane. Alright, it features a 5-layer deep purification system that blocks out 99.9% alright of the bad stuff, heavy metals like lead and mercury, bacteria, viruses, residual chlorine and other microparticles that found in your water tap or tap water traditionally. And the safety layout doesn't stop there. On the front there is a 1-liter removable antibacterial jug that is made entirely out of eco-friendly food-grade Triton material, and inside the machine there is an integrated UV self-circulation sterilization system working non-stop to ensure that bacteria can never breed in your stored water, giving it a certified 99.9% sterilization rate. It's even fully certified globally by NSF, SGS, and ROHS, and it's also certified with Singapore local safety mark right over here, so you can ensure that this thing is actually very very safe, all right, instead of like, you know, worrying that, you know, it may catch on fire, you know, short circuit, all this and that. With the safety mark, I can ensure that, you know, my appliances that I use in my own home in Singapore is strictly regulated, and as well as also compliance with any other certification as well. And the best part about this is not only you get purified water out of it, you guys can also control the exact temperature you want your water to be. So especially if you're making like baby formula, you want to be around like 50 degrees, all right, they have it right over here, so you can select the settings, all right, for 50 degrees, and select how many ml you want, and you want like probably like 65 degrees for your tea, 85 degrees for your coffee, all right, or even 100 degrees water. It can come out instantly instead of waiting 20 minutes for your water to boil, all right, whereas it's not the exact temperature you want, especially when you're baking baby formula. You want to, you know, you don't have to wait for it to boil and after wait for the water to cool down. You know, this one can give it instantly, can save you a ton of time, all right, and as well as you guys can also control the amount of water that you want, all right, per cup. You guys can control like between 40, 60, 90, 200 ml or even 500 ml of water that is being dispensed right over here, which is really incredible. So you guys can get the exact amount of water that you need and at the exact temperature that you want. And also they also have other really interesting features built in, especially if you have children. Or they also have a child lock over here as well. So all you have to do to activate and deactivate the child lock is basically, just press and hold the 60 degrees button on there for 5 seconds, and the screen will switch to lock. All right, you guys can see on the top, all right, it's being switched to lock. So basically it's currently child lock, and there is no way the child can dispense any water, all right, and scalding themselves with hot water instead. All right, so that you know, and you want to unlock it to get water again, just press and hold the 60 ml water, all right, button for over 5 seconds, and it will be unlocked. All right, the lock will be removed, and you guys can start dispensing water right away. And this thing will also remind you to change the filter if when times come. And changing of the filter is really simple. All right, just twist, pop, and pull it out, and change a new filter. Plug it, push it in, twist to the lock position, and you are good. So this is how easy it is just to change, all right, the filters themselves. And yeah, so this is a really incredible, all right, Bewinch, all right, reverse osmosis water purifier right over here, the Bewinch G3, and this is really suitable for anyone looking for purified water, or you are looking for, you know, a purified water where you guys can get, you know, any temperature you want instantly without the need of a kettle, all right, and without a need of an additional water purifier. Or you guys can get all in one right here. And the best part about this is you guys can place this anywhere. It's not that big, you guys can see, compared to my body size, it is not very big, so it can be placed on any countertops, any side place, all right, or any corners without it being too, you know, intriguing, or it being like, you know, too big and just feels off. All right, and the sleek and modern design really blends into any modern homes you have now, all right, and just looks so much nicer. All right, and yeah, and the best part about this is I love that there's no drilling required, which is really awesome, because you don't have to place it near any water source, where this one can be placed anywhere you want physically, so which is really awesome. And I love the filtration process itself, and as well as they added in certain minerals that is really beneficial to your body, which is one thing that I really love about that. So it makes, you know, water doesn't taste blunt, it just tastes really naturally sweet, and you know, there's a bit of like refreshing taste to it, which is really awesome, especially if your kids, right, doesn't like to drink water and like to drink like, you know, sweet drinks like Coca-Cola, all this and that, which is really unhealthy. With this, all right, the natural sweetness can make them want to drink water more, which is super healthy and beneficial to them as well. So if you guys are interested to get this Bewinch G3, all right, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this really amazing water purifier right over here for yourself right now, and you don't have to worry about waiting 20 minutes, all right, to get to boil your water and to filter your water out. All right, you guys can get this right away. So without further ado, you guys want to check out this Bewinch G3 once again, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this really amazing, all right, product for yourself right now. All right, and that's all for you guys. Find this video really interesting and really helpful, do give it a thumbs up and comment down below, all right, if you want me to review any other water purifier in the market right now. So yeah, that's all for you guys, and this is jforcegaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.